Hi, my name is Ryan Van, and today I wanted to talk about epistasis. Now, what is epistasis? Epistasis is when you have alleles at two separate loci, and the expression of one allele at one specific loci is capable of masking or altering the expression of another allele at a separate loci. This ends up resulting in one expressed phenotype. Now, there are several different ways that this can happen, and I wanted to focus on one in particular. This is called single recessive epistasis. The technical definition of this is homozygous recessive gene at one allele masks or modifies the expression at a second locus. Now, what does that mean? Well, you'd have a single gene here, single allele, your little a, your little a, little b, and this specific gene would be able to overwrite kind of the expression of other, normally more dominant genes, resulting in the little a phenotype taking over the big A or big B phenotypes. And I kind of like to think this as sort of having a super loud, noisy friend. Now, we're all friends in one friend group, and you have that one friend that everyone knows who's a bit more expressive, a little more vocal than everyone else. And that friend tends to talk over everyone else. So they take over the conversation and they kind of hide what your other friends are trying to say. So you kind of have that little a being that loud, noisy talker, and they take over the conversation and everyone else is unable to get a word in edgewise. They're kind of sitting in the sidelines having to sit there and be quiet. It's not a lot of fun for everyone, but it's kind of just what ends up happening. So another way of looking at this in nature is you might have, say, let's take one kind of leaf here, and it's all nice and blank. Now you have your little a expressing a special trait for it being a black leaf, and you have your big A, whatever, expressing the trait for a green leaf, and the big B expressing the trait for a red leaf. Now, normally you would have the big A here having a green leaf here, and if you have both of them, you might have something like, say, a red leaf over here. But if you end up expressing the little a here, it creates a compound that makes that leaf turn black, and the other ones are unable to be expressed. You don't end up seeing the green or the red here. You end up with just a black leaf. I hope that helps in explaining the concept, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.